So what are we doing today? Not that. Definitely not that. Oh yeah, that's the one. All right, this should hit the spot. Got about 4 gallons of green tea. Not gonna drink all of it, but I'm gonna drink a lot of it. Don't try this at home. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, I can count, and welcome to Freak Eating versus the World. Today, I'm gonna be doing something crazy, because I haven't done anything crazy in a while, and we have just over 2 gallons of green tea. I love green tea, but we're gonna see if I love it when this is all said and done. Today's video is dedicated to Sam Betting, an awesome fan from the UK, who has been asking me for a while when I was gonna do another big epic chug, and it looks like today is the day. Now, do not try this at home and do not try this anywhere. Don't know when I'll be doing a big chug again. I may never do another big chug, who knows? But while we're here, let's have some fun. No further fanfare, no BS, no Stalin. Leave your guesses in the comment section below as to how many of the 16 you think I will be able to get through. And if I'm not feeling that it's gonna be safe, I am gonna throw in the towel. That's a guarantee, that's a promise. So here we go. One down. Two. Clumsy. 3. 'Just have to play it safe. Drinking out of these small bottles is a little bit frustrating. Five. Six. Seven. This is the 8th. I'm already starting to not like green tea. Gotta be careful my guts don't blow up. Make room. And once this is done, we're past the gallon. You might not think so, but it's actually much harder to do this out of small bottles. You don't have to waste time opening. I'm at the point where trying to chug is not working. And I don't know if you can tell, but I'm starting to get a little bit full. After this, it's 5 more. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ugh. Starting to feel it. We're almost at the 6-minute mark. Excuse me. Of course, the good news is, with the way YouTube has changed lines, if I do throw up, you're not going to see it. Yeah, my guts is starting to protrude quite a bit. It's kind of, it's above the waist. I am starting to feel a little bit like, nauseous. 4 to go. At this point, I just want it to be over. Yep. See, unfortunately, I drank this very fast. I don't think my body had time to really adjust to it. Ugh. And the last time I did this, it took me a little over 10 minutes. We're almost there. Oh yeah. When I do this, it's just under 2 gallons. It's 1.98 gallons for those of you who are math majors. And this will take me up to 2.11 gallons. Oh yeah. I have no idea how I'm drinking all this. Done. 11 minutes and 15 seconds. Oh, I'm in so much pain. Let's measure my waist. Before we started, I was about 38 inches. About 45 right now. I'm very nauseous. And there you have it. The 2+ gallons of green tea challenge has been completed. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to Freak Eating because I got more challenges coming up real soon. And before you go on to enjoy the rest of your day, just wanted to bring your attention to a project that I've been working on with Gail Casper from the Great American Eat Off. We've been working with potographs, and we're trying to raise awareness for a National Animal Rescue Day to bring awareness to all the dogs and cats that end up in shelters, encouraging people to adopt rather than shop, and trying to get the U.S. Congress to adopt the National Animal Rescue Day to sort of bring awareness to that. I have 4 cats that I've actually adopted from shelters. It's an issue that's near and dear to me, and if it's near and dear to you, just go ahead. I have the Potographs website linked down below, and there's a petition you can sign, and we're trying to bring that to local Congress people's attention. And if that's your cup of tea, awesome, and if not, well, that's okay too. So I'll see all of you next time. Stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.